Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade jelly lipstick. First, you'll need a few simple items: petroleum jelly, a small, clean container for your finished product, and a microwave-safe bowl. For color, choose a food coloring or a small piece from an old lipstick. Remember to sanitize all your tools thoroughly before you begin to ensure a clean and safe product. Now, measure about 2 tablespoons of petroleum jelly and place it into your microwave-safe bowl. Heat the jelly in the microwave using short bursts, around 15 seconds at a time, until it's completely melted into a liquid. Once melted, carefully add 2 to 3 drops of your chosen food coloring or a small, shaved piece of old lipstick for your desired tint. Next, stir the melted jelly and color together very well until the mixture is smooth and evenly blended. This ensures a consistent shade throughout your lipstick. Then, carefully pour the warm liquid into your clean, empty lipstick container. Once filled, let your homemade jelly lipstick cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or until it solidifies. Before applying, always test the color and texture on the back of your hand to ensure it's just right for you. Store your new jelly lipstick in a cool, dry place to maintain its consistency and extend its shelf life. You've now created your very own custom lip product. For more great tips and to find the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.